So we're still talking about direct variation, but this is a second type of problem that you might see. Okay, so notice we've got three different numbers happening. So we're looking at this first example in video 1. Okay, so still working with direct variation. So very similar process to start with. Y varies directly with X. Okay, so remember Y varies. So it's Y over X, okay? Now if Y is 15, okay, Y is 15, my Y goes on the top, so 15, and X is 12, so that goes on the bottom, okay, so my Y value on the top, X on the bottom. What is Y if X is 32, okay? So this is the difference from yesterday. We're given a third number, okay? X is 32. So I'm going to make another fraction so I have somewhere to put that number. It's an X, okay? Because it's an X, that means it's going to go on the bottom. My X's are on the bottom, okay? So I've got 15 over 12 equals something. This is what we're looking for, over 32. So this is the whole, okay? So now what we're going to do, this might ring a bell. It's called cross multiplication, or some teachers call it the butterfly method. Okay, I'm going to change colors. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to multiply the two diagonal numbers. There's nothing diagonal from 12. Okay, so I'm going to multiply the 15 times, or multiplied by 32 equals, okay, you can plug that in. Okay, so if we had 15 times 32, okay, so that is 480. And then you're going to divide it. You're going to take that 480, divide it by 12. So 480, whoops. Okay, so 480 divided by 12. Okay, and that gives me 40. Okay, so that means that when X is 12, when X was 32, my Y value, my missing value here, is 40. Okay, so my final answer is just 40. Okay, next example, if you don't need this, then go ahead and stop the video and move on. If you do need it, keep watching. Okay, so assume Y varies with X. Y varies with X. So again, Y over X. Y is negative 12. My Y's are on the top, so negative 12. When X is 6, X's are on the bottom, so 6. What is X if Y is 44? So here's this third number, okay? So equals, I got to put this 44 somewhere. It's a Y, so it's going to go on the top, okay? Next, I can cross multiply. So I can take, notice there's nothing across from negative 12, nothing diagonal. So I'm going to multiply 6 and 44. 6 times 44, okay, that would give me 264. Then I would take that 264 and divide it by my third number, which was negative 12, okay. And if you did that, let me check it real quick in my calculator to make sure I'm right. 264 divided by negative 12, okay, and that is negative 22.